Hello friends, I am Sandeep Raste, Assistant Professor in Department of Electrical Engineering, AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Today we discuss a voltage and current divider rule. Voltage divider rule. In a series circuit, the same current flows through each resistance, hence the voltage drop across each resistor are proportional to their ohmic value. In series circuit, current flowing will be proportional to the total resistance offered by the circuit. Voltage divider rule states that the total voltage applied across a series connection is multiple resistor is divided among the resistor in proportional to their resistance. This means the voltage drop will be maximum across the resistor having maximum value of resistance. Likewise, it will be minimum for resistor having lower value of resistance. Voltage division rule: if two resistors are connected in series, this is a simple circuit. R1 and R2 are connected in series, and this series combination, one voltage source connected across it, current I flowing through entire circuit. Voltage across R1 is VR1, voltage across R2 is VR2. V equal to VR1 plus VR2. According to Ohm's law, V is equal to I into total resistance in the circuit. Similarly, VR1 equal to IR1, VR2 equal to IR2. Take a current I common from right side and it is cancel each other. So R total is equal to R1 plus R2. Means if resistance are connected in series, we just simply addition. Now VR1 equal to R1 into I. I is nothing but V divided by R total. Now R total is what? R1 plus R2. So put that value here and finally we get VR1 equal to R1 divided by R1 plus R2 into V. Similarly, voltage across resistor R2 is VR2 equal to R2 divided by R1 plus R2 into V. In short, voltage across any resistor is equal to resistance across which voltage is to be determined divided by sum of the resistance connected in series into source voltage. Next, current division rule. When current flowing through more than one parallel path, each of the paths share a definite portion of the total current depending upon the resistance of that path. The electrical current entering the node of a parallel circuit is divided into the branches. Current divider formula is employed to calculate the magnitude of divided current in the circuits. Current division rule: if two resistors are connected in parallel, it is applicable when only two resistors are connected in parallel. So this is a simple circuit diagram. R1 and R2 are connected in parallel and voltage across this parallel combination is Vs. Total current is IT. I is equal to IR1 plus IR2. According to Ohm's law, I is equal to supply voltage V divided by total resistance, that is Rp, equal to R1, IR1 is nothing but V upon R1 and IR2 equal to V upon R2. Take a V common from right side and it is cancel each other, right hand side and left hand side V. So finally we get 1 upon Rp equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. In short, while solving this equation, Rp equal to R1 into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Now, IR1 equal to V divided by R1 and I equal to V equal to I into Rp. V equal to I into Rp. And this Rp value put it here and finally we get IR1 equal to R2 divided by R1 plus R2 into main current I. Similarly, IR2 equal to R1 divided by R1 plus R2 into main current I. Current flowing through any resistor equal to resistance through which current is not determined divided by sum of resistance into total current. This is a simple example when two or more resistors are connected in series. R1, R2, R3 are connected in series and 50 volt resistor, 50 volt supply is connected across it. Now, V R1 equal to R1 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 into main voltage division rule. So voltage across 2 ohm resistance R1 equal to 5 volt. Thank you.